Mail call? What could I have gotten? Be right back. So I cut it out of the package and it's in this bubble wrap. It had this in it. I don't know why. Nothing's in this. Okay. But this is what I got. So I wanted to complete my 3/8 set. And got the TEKTON 1-inch. Voila. And the 15/16. Voila. And I got the short versions too. Oops, just like that. Much better. I didn't realize this before because this is the first 1-inch that I've had. But look how short that is. It might not be 1 inch tall. Let's see. Inch, just over an inch, inch and an eighth. I like that. You can get into some tighter spots with that. I like TEKTON. Obviously, I like TEKTON. I've had very good luck with the TEKTON. My only complaint with TEKTON so far is that their old impacts used to be really thick and heavy, and like they wouldn't even fit in these. But since then, they've redesigned them, and they are a lot nicer. At work, we have the Impact 3/8 in our service truck, and they have been great. But one thing I like about TEKTON is in their sockets and even in their wrenches, they go to bigger sizes. Whether you're completing a TEKTON set or you bought another set and need bigger sizes, I think it's a good source, good value. For these 4 sockets, it doesn't say. Well, for these 4 sockets, I think I paid $43. And it was free shipping. And I earned $4. Yeah, $4 for a future purchase. That's also another thing I like about TEKTON. That if you buy directly from their website, one, you're getting the newest model of whatever, or sometimes on Amazon it's the older model, and that's why they're a little bit cheaper than the website. But on the website, you earn 10% back for future purchases. And I think that is great because I'll save up those rewards to buy something bigger. I need to get some sockets to finish out my quarters. Some stuff for my 1/2 inch to finish it out. And I don't have very many chisels. No, apparently I only have one chisel. So I bought some of their long chisels for work, and they have been great. And I'm going to buy some here for the house. But hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope everybody's doing well and happy, and take care of yourself and each other. One mechanic out. Peace. Ciao.